My recovery journey and religious deconstruction aren't compartmentalized. This is overlapping. So the more I got sober, that the more that onion layers just kept coming off. I had some serious anxiety, panic attacks, phobias. I didn't drive on the freeway for 10 years. All that, turmoil that I had in childhood and adolescence and not dealing with it and drinking through my 20s finally came up when I got sober at 34. And holy cow, like the floodgates just opened and it was time to deal with it. And so when I got sober, that's when I just really started dissecting how the Mormon church affected me. And I questioned everything. I mean, there was so much anger, so much anger that came up, and allowing myself to be angry. I mean, I'm sure it wasn't that pleasant to be around. Um, I was, able to have my own opinions, and I'm able to voice my own opinions. And if someone disagrees with it, cool. That doesn't impact me. And just recently, it's come to a place where, oh, I'm really not affected by you talking negatively about me. Um, for somebody that, go back to, find Jesus, find God. You're in this pain because you don't believe in God. Comments like that don't affect me anymore. Um, so I had to learn how to disagree. I had to learn how to stick up for myself. Um, and it's really limited my interactions with my family of origin, and that's okay because I'm more genuine now. So my workbook talks about reclaiming identity, finding meaning on my own terms. Um, what does it mean that I'm bisexual, and how that was so demonized as an adolescent, and there's something wrong with me, and I'm a predator for that. And so letting all those messages go, leave, because it just blows my mind that this church focuses so much on hating. Well, there's new PR out now, so not giving the same rights to the LGBTQ community as a traditional family. Um, and yet there's so much abuse happening within the church that has been just swept on the rug. I witnessed that women were told to do whatever it takes to save a temple marriage. Yeah, go back to your husband. Even if he beats you, it's a temple marriage. You're gonna do whatever it takes.